In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate hinge bushing on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the tailgate. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the rear view camera. We're going to open the red locking tab. Push on the button, pull straight back, and remove the connector. There's going to be two of these plastic clips holding the wire for the rear view camera, one right here, and then one right above the tire. Open the clips and pull the wire out. Lift slightly up on the tailgate and remove the tailgate cables from the bed. Lift up on that little tab, push straight up, remove the cable. This tailgate is going to release on the passenger side. We're going to pull it out of the bracket. Pull the tailgate towards the passenger side to remove it from the driver's side latch. Make sure that you pull out the camera harness cable so it does not get caught. We're going to put this in the bed of the truck where we have a few towels laid down. There's going to be two tabs on the back of this bushing. We're going to pull up on the bottom tab, and as we do that, we're going to pull out on the bushing, and then we're going to push down on the top tab and remove the tailgate bushing. Make sure they're fully seated. Install the tailgate onto the driver's side first. Once you have the tailgate started on the driver's side, we can drop the passenger in. Install the rear view camera harness through the bed. Install the tailgate cables. Install the connector. Push that red lock down. Install the camera harness into the plastic clips and then close the clips down on it. You'll feel them snap into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.